7. Kolkata. Kolkata is the most important city in eastern India. Earlier, it was known as Calcutta. Kolkata was the first capital of British India. Now, it is the capital of West Bengal and is a major inland port. It is the second biggest city of India. It is about 130 kilometers away from the sea. Kolkata is located on the banks of the river Hooghly. It is connected with Bay of Bengal through the river Hooghly. The Howrah Bridge on river Hooghly links Kolkata to Howrah. The people of Kolkata are very fond of music, dance, and art. The main language of the people is Bengali or Bangla. Rabindra Sangeet is their main school of music. The climate of Kolkata is neither very hot nor very cold.
During the rainy season, there are heavy rains.
Many areas get flooded during this period. The governor, chief minister, and other ministers of West Bengal live in Kolkata. All important state government offices are also located in Kolkata. Industries. Kolkata is famous for its jute processing industry. Most of the jute mills are concentrated along the Hooghly River. Some other industries are textiles, chemicals, electrical goods, paper, and leather. Places of interest. The Howrah Bridge on the river Hooghly is the main attraction of Kolkata. The new name of this bridge is Rabindranath Setu. A new bridge called Vidyasagar Setu, built on Hooghly River, connects Howrah and Kolkata. Charangi is the main center of activity and entertainment in Kolkata. Many big shops and cinema halls are located here. The Victoria Memorial here is a massive building made of white marble. The Indian Museum, Birla Planetarium, Rabindra Sarovar, Dakshineshwar, Kali Temple, Belur Math, Alipur Zoo, and the Botanical Gardens are other places worth visiting. The National Library is the biggest library in India.
It has more than 1 crore books.
One of the famous cricket ground, Eden Gardens, is located in Kolkata. Kolkata is also a big center of Bangla films. Food, rice and fish form their staple diet. Bengalis are fond of eating sweets. Bengali sweets like sandesh and rasgulla are famous all over the country.
The dessert, Mishti Doi, sweet yogurt, is also much liked by the people of West Bengal.
Festival.
Durga Puja is the most important festival. It is celebrated with great joy for 10 days.
Beautiful idols of goddess Durga are made, and people offer their prayers with great devotion. Transport. The transport system of Kolkata is unique. Kolkata has an underground railway system. It is known as the metro. Kolkata was the first city in India to have the metro. Trams, which run on rails, are also a very convenient means of transport in Kolkata. They crisscross through the whole city. It is the only Indian city where trams are still in use. Kolkata is linked with other cities of India and the main cities of the world through Dum Dum Airport. Now it is called Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Let's understand. Inland, situated in the interior of a country rather than on the coast. Flooded, waterlogged, convenient, easy. Recap. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is situated on the banks of river Hooghly. Kolkata has the underground railway system known as the metro. Durga Puja is the main festival of Kolkata.